It's like 1,000,000,000 degrees here. It's so hot, and I'm gonna go home right now and make some cold noodles, specifically cold soba. Let's go. In a saucepan or pot, we're gonna add 1 cup of light soy sauce. We're gonna let it simmer over low heat. Then add a pack of bonito flakes. Then add a teaspoon of dashi powder. Then add 2 liters of water. Mix well. Then add a tablespoon of honey, swirl it around, let it incorporate into the sauce. Then add a 1/4 cup of sake, which is Japanese white wine. Remove from the stove, and we're going to pour it into a jar or a bowl or a cup or whatever, and we're going to put it in the fridge for a couple of hours.
Five hours later.
And then we're just going to cook our noodles. I just follow the instructions from the package. If you don't know how to follow the instructions, then I don't know what to tell you. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes. I'm going to taste test it to see if I like the texture. Okay, I like it enough, so I'm going to transition it into a bowl of cold water, which I have it in the freezer for about an hour, so it's going to be nice and cold. Now I'm just going to plate it, grabbing whatever amount I want to eat into the bowl. Now adding the sauce we made earlier into the noodles. Okay, finally we're adding the sole ingredient, which is wasabi. In a separate little bowl, I'm adding a dab of wasabi in it, and then I'm going to add some sauce into it. I'm going to mix it in there, and then I'm going to pour it back in. It's just easier that way, otherwise you'll get chunks of wasabi here and there if you add it directly into the noodles. And that's it. Enjoy! Woo! If you want more videos like this, let me know what you want to learn in the next video, or what recipe you'd like me to test out for you by leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching! Love you guys!